Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is the 4th of July weekend and 4th of July is probably my second favorite holiday behind Christmas, so I'm so excited for this weekend. It is the 3rd right now, and this morning I went to our pool for the first time. So we live in like a community and there's like a pool and a gym and all that stuff, so I went there for the first time this morning and that was really nice. And then now we are going to the 4th of July festival and we're gonna like ride some rides, do some carnival stuff, all that jazz. And yeah, we're going to my parents' house later because my dad's making pulled pork and doing like a cookout. And then we might do some fireworks. It's gonna be a fun day. Stop.
I'm just moving.
You shook the whole thing.
I'm just moving.
Hi everyone, you are back in my bathroom. Basically, I didn't really have a chance to intro today, I guess. Today was the 4th of July and it was a pretty crazy day, but I didn't really have a lot to film, or I guess I had stuff to film, but I only got a few clips just because we were busy enjoying the 4th of July. So basically this morning I woke up and I made a ton of guacamole, and then I got ready and we went to the parade. So I have a few, what am I trying to say? I have a few clips of the parade right here. And then after the parade, we went to my parents' house. It was just me and Dawn. We brought Casper because our dog has separation anxiety, so we have to bring him everywhere. So we brought Casper and we hung out at my parents' house. Dad made burgers and Italian sausages, and we just had like a cookout. We played some yard games and hung out. And then after that, we went to the fireworks for the city, and it's at the same place that the festival was at that we went yesterday. So yeah, we just went there and we watched the fireworks. And then we just got home and I showered because I was so disgusting. It was like 91 degrees today during the parade and I just got so sweaty. So it feels so good to be nice and showered and clean for the night. So I am looking forward to changing into some comfy PJs and laying in bed, watching some TV, going to bed. Honestly, I'm tired because I'm old now. It was like, the fireworks didn't start until 10 o'clock and it was like 9 p.m. I was like, it's bedtime. I am exhausted. So I'm officially old. Anyways, hi Casper. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I didn't get a ton of clips of the 4th of July, but I was just basically doing some fun things. So I hope you enjoyed all of the montages. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one.